Chris, this is my room. This is where I'm staying right now. I'm in St. Maarten. See, you can kind of see out there, see it? It's a little room, tile floors, very simple. Oh, you'll like this. Look at this. Oops. Yeah, what do you think that is? I think that's for the ladies. Yeah, look at that. That's very nice. A little something to kind of keep your tush clean. Oh, look how nice this is. Yeah, see the water in there? This is why I like places like this. Yeah, okay. Here we go.